Between 1969 and 1972, there were 6 crewed U.S. landings on the Moon, starting with Apollo 11 in July 1969. However, most of us only recall the iconic scene from the first landing, even though a total of 24 astronauts walked on the Moon during 6 missions: Apollo 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, and 17. It's worth noting that all 24 astronauts were American. Neil Armstrong and Edwin "Buzz" Aldrin were the first to step onto the Moon's surface, spending 21 hours and 36 minutes there. Armstrong made history by becoming the first person to set foot on the Moon, doing so 6 hours and 39 minutes after the landing, with Aldrin joining him 19 minutes later. The 2 astronauts spent approximately 2.25 hours together, exploring the site they named Tranquility Base. While the United States focused on the crewed Apollo program, the Soviet Union carried out uncrewed missions, deploying rovers and successfully returning samples to Earth. They launched 3 rover missions and attempted 11 sample return flights, with 3 successes. Looking ahead, NASA's Artemis program is set to re-establish a human presence on the Moon, marking the first time since the Apollo 17 mission in 1972. The crewed Artemis II launch is scheduled for 2024, followed by the Artemis III crewed lunar landing in 2025 and the Artemis IV docking with the Lunar Gateway in 2027.